Hello friends.
Hey guys.
So today we are moving spots here in our RV park. We did talk a little bit about this in a previous video. So we're getting everything packed up and ready to move to our spot, which is not far, so we're pretty lucky with that.
Not fun.
Yeah, it's definitely one of the not so fun parts about RVing is having to pack everything up and move it. We have to get everything safe in the RV to travel and then pack up everything that we keep outside in the RV to move it to the spot. So we're gonna show you all that today.
Show you everything what we do, but this is just what we do. We're not telling you to do it.
Exactly. This is just how we do what works for us, you know, just to give you guys an idea of our normal life, I guess, our normal RV life.
And we'll show you our new spot.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Woo! We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV. K&E RVTV. Sing it with us.
RVTV. All right, so we got our chef rack cleaned off because we're gonna put that in the RV to take it over to the spot. So I cleaned everything off. I cleaned it off as much as like the, you know, outside dirt and grime that's on it, so it won't bring it inside. I picked up one of the rugs already. I let it dry because it got a little wet from the air conditioning, so that's there. Luckily for our patio furniture, we can just fold it up and just lay it inside. I still have to take the stabilizers off. And then we just have some more random things to pack up, like the dog bed, and that's our drying rack. And I already took apart our step with our stabilizers and everything, so we can pick up this rug and put that away. Yeah, so you ready for all this fun?
No. Keys, please.
They're in your pocket, ma'am. It's like magic. Yeah, we have to take the cover off of the front windshield so Kim can see while she's driving, obviously. So that's our next step.
Why don't you drive it there since you never drove it?
Not yet. And then we also have our leveling blocks, so we'll have to remove those. And I already took all of our tire covers off, so yeah. A lot of steps. A lot of steps.
Okay, so we're going to try and load like as much stuff as we can, like in the car, like all of our outside stuff that we can, and just take it over there and drop it off. Alright, so we got the car all loaded up, so we're gonna go take a trip and drop everything off, and then we'll get the rest before we move the beast. You babies ready to move spots? They get a little anxious when we have to move, that's for sure. They don't know what's going on, but just trying to finish uploading the video for today. But other than that, everything is like put away. Sorry the lighting is gonna be bad in here because the sun's so bright outside, but we got everything put away in order for us just to drive a little bit. Aaron's closet's normally up front there. She put all her clothes up top there. Got the TV secure. Just have to put away the computer and the table. Normally everything is a little more secure when we're like driving a far distance, but just driving a little bit, so yeah, we're ready to go. Okay, we got pretty much everything. Second round in the car. Just have to put this in the RV because it won't fit into the car.
Now we're gonna take the stabilizers out.
Oh, this is Aaron's job.
Get a great shot of my
let me come on this side over here. And these stabilizers help with the rocking of the RV so much. Homemade by my father. Thanks, Daddy. We also have these stabilizers here in the back, and I use this like crank. Goes in that hole right there, and I crank them up.
And Kim's putting our stabilizers up from the back.
To get my workout.
Yep.
So this is the other not so fun part we have to do. I gotta disconnect all of our waters and our water filter and our hose. We have a cable, the electric cable for the TV, and the poop chute. So fun. So we're saving the electric to last because we want that AC going as long as possible. I mean, it's not super hot today, thank God, but it's not cool out though.
Not quite fall yet.
I'm going to miss this mountain view. We'll show you the view and what it's like when we get to our spot. It's over there somewhere.
All right, the not so glamorous part, disconnecting the poop tank.
I'm just gonna disconnect it and put the cap on it and throw the hose in there since we're only going to
yeah, exactly.
So we don't really have to do anything special, but both the valves are closed, so nothing should come out of it.
All right, so she took the
So
hose
this-
off.
And I put the cap on. Both things are closed, so now we can close up our hose and just set it in there for
Yep.
a second.
Yeah, this is not our normal breakdown because we're just going right down the block. Not even.
It smells so good.
Oh yeah, fresh roses, right?
Mm-hmm.
We love our Rhino hose because it just kind of accordion styles back so it doesn't take up as much room.
Nope.
And we have both our clear valves so we can see when we're empty and all the good stuff. Or the gross stuff, I should say.
Dirty work is done. It's in there. And now we can't turn the water off till I go wash my hands.
Yes. We save water, well, electricity for last, but water is before electricity. Woo! Good job, Kim. You're the best.
Okay, I'm all clean.
It's H2O. It's H2O time. So first we're gonna turn the water off. Loosen this a little bit. And we like to disconnect from the spigot first because that way when you're disconnecting it from the RV, you're not squirting water all over yourself. Or at least as little as possible.
Yay!
Ooh, don't want to lose our screen.
Nope. And don't forget to take our two-way thing off either.
Yes.
A lot of people forget those.
Well, this is definitely full.
With a filter, probably
It's
we
heavy.
should clean it.
It is heavy.
Okay, we got the hose in there, got it all unhooked. All we have left is the electric, and we need the keys for our lock. And then we gotta go inside and turn the AC off, make sure everything's off, and then come unplug.
Yeah, we'll show you what we did inside too, just so you can see how we packed up a little bit.
I showed him a little bit.
Okay, perfect.
So these surge protectors are definitely expensive, but very important to have for the RV because this is our home, so we can't have any issues with electricity.
I just pull it all the way out.
Yep. So if you get a surge protector, keep people honest and lock it up. All right, now we're bringing this in.
Watch out, baby.
Ooh, oh, it's on you.
Watch out.
All right, so we got it in. Everything is secure. The babies are super antsy and they are ready to go.
They know something's happening. We got everything in the sink.
Yep.
You show them we bungee cord the fridge and the
Yep.
cabinet.
We just gotta turn the AC off and fully unplug.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alrighty, so now we're gonna have her move back a little bit so we can remove our leveling blocks. Good to go. All right, once we think that we've done everything, we always like to walk around and make sure there's nothing that we forgot or anything we forgot to close. We always look under the RV. Sometimes you forget, you stick something under there, or, you know, with the weather it might blow under. And, you know, just make sure everything looks good, closed. All of your stabilizers. Like I said, we made sure we disconnected. Make sure you turn off your water and shut off your breaker for your electrical box when you're finished. And I think we're all clear. I think we're all clear, ma'am.
Get this show on the road.
You ready to do this?
Let's go.
See you later. Alrighty, whenever we're doing moving like this, I always have Kim on the phone so we can communicate with each other just to make sure we're being safe and not hitting any property. The dogs don't know what the heck is going on. Look at Lucy in action. She's so cute. Sorry about the wobbling. I'm not the most unclumsy person. Our spot is right next to the Kia. I don't know if you can see it right there. And we're parking. I gotta get over there. I gotta walk a little faster, so I'll see you guys in a second.
Coming in. As far as this side, right?
Yeah, that's good. Just keep coming straight. I think that's perfect. We're definitely leaning to your side. All right, hold on, stop for a second. I want to see how close the, reverse a little bit.
We had to let the doggies out because they were so anxious, didn't know what was going on.
And then they get out and they're like, oh, we're still here?
Yeah. So we're trying to just like figure out the best way to situate the RV so we have the best view of that mountain over there. We'll still have this mountain over here as well, so not too bad.
We'll take it. Just the bugs right now are nuts. So I want to get this set up and get back inside.
Yeah, because we're close to the creek. The creek's like right here now. More bugs. Yep. Joy. Winter. Come on, Winter. Excuse me. What happened?
What?
They're like choker collars too. How did that even happen?
Oh, put his babies out.
Oh.
Come here, Smack.
Get over here. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Come on, Smack.
Let's go. Come on. So now we got to where we want to be, and now we have to check how level we are to determine how many leveling blocks we need to put in on which side. So we have a big level that we put in the middle of our kitchen floor, and it determines how many blocks we have to use. Right. This is Erin right now checking the level. How level are we?
Back to front's not horrible. We definitely need to come up on the driver's side a little bit.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna try pulling up in the leveling blocks and see what happens.
So the first thing we do is plug in, and our surge protector will tell us if there's any electrical issues or anything like that, and it says E0, which means 0 error. So everything's good for us to plug in. Right, we got the cover put on so the dogs stop freaking out inside. Something I just realized, now the RV is a different direction. It's completely flipped around from what it was before. And my back window in the back used to open up every morning to this beautiful scenery, and now it's gonna open up to our car. Oh well, still a nice view. Even over this way. Got our fire pit there. I need to vamp that up a little bit, and we're gonna get our rugs put out and everything else, and then we'll be good. So we're setting up our stabilizers. Get some put on that little hook there. It's all wedged up there nice and good. That's our propane tank built in. And then you just tighten up this ratchet strap, and it helps so much with the shaking inside the RV. Alright, so Erin got it all strapped in. It's like super tight. Awesome. Look how disgusting our RV water is. This thing used to be white.
Yep.
That's why we have that on there, plus the extra filter as well. And we still don't drink it. And we do not give it to the dogs.
We did for a little bit, and then we realized, probably not.
Nope. So we got some soap, and we scrubbed out our filter as much as we could. We know it's not gonna go back to normal.
Yeah.
That's what happens. The staining's normal. So we're gonna get our water hooked up. We wanted to do the stabilizers first because everything else like gets in the way of the stabilizer right there.
For us to do that first.
So we do the stabilizers first, and it helps so much with the rocking when we're inside anyways. And then we come out here and set all this stuff up. So we got a little Y connector on there. So this side hooks up to the RV, and then we have this side open to use our other hose if we need it for anything. We also have a water pressure regulator on our hose as well. With every RV park being different, you never know what pressure you're gonna get, and you want to protect the pipes in your RV, so it's also very important to have. How you doing, ma'am?
We're gonna work out today.
Muscles? Yes! Alright, everything's set up, water's connected, electric's been on, sewer is connected all the way down there, we got our cable connected, we're good to go. Our dinner just arrived, Uber Eats, we got some Cracker Barrel.
Well, I'm not cooking tonight, no way.
Let's go eat. Woo! Okay, I think we're as done as we can be. We're ready to eat our dinner. Got all our rugs out, all the bins put away. There's our dinner. And yeah, we'll show you more once we get more settled in. What are you doing? You smell the food? Yeah, you want some dinner? Okay, let's go eat some dinner. Cracker Barrel! So this is the view I get out my window where I sit and edit all day. So that's pretty good still. Erin, you want to show them the view out the other window?
Sure. And this is the other side of the RV window.
So it's kind of actually better views when we're sitting in the RV.
Yeah. Really nice. I mean,
we got a spot.
Exactly, like it was our fault because we couldn't make up our minds if we were staying or going. So we're just lucky that we could get a spot in the same park. So, yeah.
Here's our Cracker Barrel dinner. I got chicken fried chicken, has like a white gravy on top, and corn and mashed potatoes. And we got biscuits. Cracker Barrel biscuits are the best.
And then I got the sweet and smoky glazed chicken tenders with mashed potatoes and gravy, coleslaw, and then I made some ranch that I'm gonna use.
Coleslaw. Oh, Erin made some homemade ranch for us. You the best, Erin. And we got some honey for our biscuits.
Yeah, we worked hard today, so we're eating hard.
Yes.
Cheers.
We're starving. It's 6:30 and it's the first thing we're putting in our mouths.
Yep.
We're bad. My chicken looks really good. It's like all white meat chicken breast. I'm gonna try it. A little corn, little potatoes. I'm having trouble because I'm looking through the camera.
You gotta get the perfect bite, right?
I mean, for it being Uber Eats and we didn't eat it right away because we were still doing stuff, it's really good.
Last time we got Uber Eats, we did Cracker Barrel as well. Their delivery fee is usually pretty low for our area.
And we had a $20 off coupon.
Yeah, $20 off 25, so it worked out and it's good. So, yeah, you Cracker Barrel.
Win-win. Winner, winner.
We're watching some of our favorite vloggers, Kara and Nate. They're amazing. If you guys looking for something else to watch, they have an awesome channel. They travel all over the world.
Yeah, they have like 3 million followers.
Yeah, they're amazing. We love them. So check them out.
Oh my god, the light coming in is giving you like polka dots on your face.
Well, my chicken's really good.
Yeah.
The sweet and smoky glaze. And it has like little bacon bits on it too.
Ooh.
And then dipping in the ranch is like where it's at.
Ranch is good. I'm going to town on my biscuit. And my chicken's really good. It's all good. Thanks, Cracker Barrel. I'm so full and I'm so exhausted.
Same.
And I don't want to do anything.
And we need to shower because we're gross after all that.
Yes.
But I'm ready to go to bed.
Yeah. You need to put your closet back up there. It's on top of your bed.
I have to put the whole front back together. We still have to do all the inside stuff. We still have to put just set up the outside however we're gonna do it for the next couple months. But I can wait.
Joy.
Yeah. Hello everyone.
Hey guys, it's a few days later.
Yeah, I'm sorry we've been missing in action. I actually went home to Florida for a few days and Kim was alone taking care of the dogs. So that's why we're a little behind.
Yeah.
But we're here. We wanted to show you what we did outside of the RV after we had to change spots. So welcome. Thanks for hanging out with us. We've missed you and I'm happy to be back. So you'll be seeing a lot more of us, okay?
Alright, let's show them what we did.
Let's do it. So originally the picnic table was over here where I'm standing, but instead we put our leads for the dogs so they have all of this grass space now to go potty and play and run around. And there's a Kimberly right there. And then we put the table and chairs at the end so we kind of get a better view of the mountains when we're sitting outside. And we have the dog's raised bed, our little side table by the door, and then our chef rack that we use for all of our grilling and everything. And then the picnic table is down over here. There's not a really level spot for the picnic table on this site, so I mean we don't really use the picnic table often because we have our table and chairs that we take with us everywhere. So yeah, it's working out, so we're happy. Yeah, I have to show you the what is it, the délice de résistance. Is Kim redid the fire pit. She dug all the weeds out.
Overgrown and grassy, and I had to dig out all the rocks and everything.
Yeah.
It took a long time, but
it looks awesome.
Yep.
But you can see in the beginning of the video it wasn't the best, and now it looks amazing. And there's a beautiful shot of the mountains. The sun is shining. So we are headed to dinner, but thank you for watching this video. We appreciate you guys hanging out with us.
Like, comment, subscribe,
yes, like,
share.
comment, subscribe, share, and we will see you in the next episode.
Have a great night.
Bye.